Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to AML risk assessment, identifying and mitigating organizational vulnerabilities. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. 1. Assess business lines and customer risk. Analyze high-risk products, services, and customer types, including politically exposed persons, PEPs, and high cash businesses to determine areas of elevated AML risk. 2. Evaluate geographic and transactional risks. Identify risks associated with operating in high risk jurisdictions and assess unusual transaction patterns that may indicate money laundering activities. 3. Implement strong controls and continuous monitoring. Establish clear policies. Use automated monitoring tools and conduct regular audits to ensure ongoing compliance and timely detection of suspicious activities. A proactive AML risk assessment strengthens compliance and protects organizations from regulatory penalties and reputational damage. Stay vigilant and update risk controls regularly. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos.